is the retro area. And we are here at MetLife Mall. At Heroes Con. Small festival as expected. I don't know what it is. These are too big to be PGs. Hail Mall Rats! It is December 7, 2024 and we are here at MetLife Mall. We're gonna check out the what is that? Heroes Con something 2024. It was kind of a bust last time here at Blue Bay Walk behind me, but I decided I want to give it one more try, one more chance. Let's go see if they have anything worth anything. So, yeah, I'll see you inside the mall. Alright, we're here inside. I don't know if there's still some cosplay probably happening. Let's take a look at the merch first, or let's take a look at what the hell is happening. Let's take a look at the merch. The same general people from last time. Yeah. Things. Vintage stuff. Let's take a look at this vintage stuff later. Small festival as expected. Comfy. Soul. Comfy. Comfy. Kinda. Look at the other side. Figures. Take a look at the other side. I wonder if there's another wing on the other side or something. Oh, look at that. It's like a... Look, it's a thing. It's an alien. Claw alien. Sanrio stuff, Hello Kitty stuff. Okay. Ooh, what is this? Fimilu. That looks creepy. What is this? K-pop stuff. Whatever. Hey, that's a K-pop skin over there. I wonder if it's a copy or real. Shirts. It's a retro place on the other side. Let's take a look at these. So you got this retro thing. This is the retro area. They have N64s and a GameCube plugged in. Bunch of DS titles. Switch. Was that retro? Ooh, look at these DS cards. Ooh, what is this? Cute stuff. What is this? Freebies. It's sponsored by Root Box apparently, or something. Okay. These are nice though. These customs. These are too big to be PGs. What is that? Chenlo, Aldron, Sandra, Death Sight, Heavy Arms. Where's Wing? They have no wing. Probably somewhere. Nice, weird looking Sandra over there. And a Mecha Vader. Let's take a look at the other side of this. What are these? Ooh, look at that. Justice League. Marvel stuff. Classic He-Man stuff. Always good. It's a Marvel versus Capcom showcase. That looks cute. Classic Thundercats. Okay, let's see what's on the other side.
So, of course, I can't end this session without my debut single. Thank you so much. Love you. Anyway, so I can't end this session without my debut single. It's entitled Rumble. It's out on all social platforms and streaming platforms, Spotify, YouTube, you name it. Yeah. So,
classic comics. I'll be taking a look at some classic comics later.
Thank you very much. And if not, it's okay. I can actually feature right now. So, the song actually goes, get ready to rumble, yeah. Get ready to rumble, yeah. So that's it. It's really simple. So, if you hear that part, then do join along with me because it really helps me if you sing along with me. So, without further ado, this is my big single entitled Rumble.
I don't know what it is.
Summer day, baby, make it rain.
I figured it's a cute little minor thing.
One, two, three, four.
Actually, this one's legit. I'll go take a look at that. And lastly, the other side. T-shirts, souvenir. Okay, that's that. That's that. There's a stall here that sells vintage stuff like vintage money, vintage coins. That's cool. And then look at that, old money. Japanese money. That's cool. And some old coins. I might get some. That's cool. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.